Hi there, how are you? In today's video, I'll explain the key steps for flawless headlight glazing. I have here the V-Light Pro, which can handle about 30 to 35 applications. I'll also show you our 20 milliliters V-Light, good for 10 to 15 headlight pairs. Let's get to it. The process is easy, but there are some things to watch out for. Ready to begin? First, we need to assess the headlight's condition. Most headlights need restoration involving sanding with various grits based on the headlight's state. For badly cracked ones, use coarse grit. Less damage needs finer grit. Some may not need sanding at all. Example, when you have a new headlight. In this case, I sanded the headlight with progressively finer grits, ending with 2000 grit. V-Light provides coverage starting from 2000 grit sandpaper. What does this mean? It means you can stop sanding once you reach 2000 grit sandpaper. With 2000 grit, you can finish sanding and apply V-Light. Alex, can I sand up to 3000 or 5000 grit? Sure you can. It'll take more time and effort, but V-Light works well from 2000 grit onwards. Now let's move on to the process. One of the crucial steps in glazing is decontaminating the headlight. This step isn't optional, it's mandatory. What product will we use for this decontamination? We'll use Vonixx, our hologram developer, that also works as a decontaminant for plastic and paint. In this case, we're decontaminating the polycarbonate, which is the headlight material. So how do I recommend decontaminating the headlight? You'll apply it directly to the headlight, okay? Why? This ensures a much more efficient application and decontamination. Apply, flip the microfiber, and finish. If you want, repeat with less product to ensure thorough decontamination. There are two important factors here. First, decontaminating prevents release agents from stopping the product adhering to the polycarbonate. Second, it improves product anchorage, increasing adhesion for better application efficiency, okay? Now let's move on to step 2, which is how to apply the product. Pay close attention. The package will contain these 3 items. Of course, the product bottle, a foam applicator, and our suede towel, which is this one here. Never apply the product directly to the foam. Do this. Wrap the foam with the suede microfiber, then apply the product generously all over the suede without skimping, covering the entire microfiber. It should look like this, completely saturated, okay? Now pay close attention, as this is the most crucial part of the process, the application technique. Follow along with me. The applicator should always remain on the headlight. Never lift it off, and always move it laterally. There should be no cross movement. It should be done like this. Can you see the difference in correction now? Until the end of the headlight, I keep the applicator on top, always with 3 fingers here to ensure full coverage. I go from one end to the other without lifting it. And here's the whole application. Look how perfect it turned out. Question, what if it gets on the paint? You can mask it off, but to make it easier, I didn't. You can use a microfiber cloth to remove any excess. But here, I applied it perfectly. See, this is the best way to apply the product. Now I'll explain one of the most important aspects of headlight coating, curing time. Overlight's curing time has 2 phases, partial cure and full cure. This product has an average partial cure time of 4 to 6 hours, okay? and a total cure time of 72 hours. So 3 days for a complete cure. After 6 hours, you can drive the car and take it home. But don't apply any products or wash the headlight after those 6 hours. Just drive the car and let it cure naturally for 72 hours. Easy application, right? For more videos like this, follow our page. We're in this together. See you next time.